Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'll be doing a slime makeover. And this is my first one I'll be doing. I'm going to make a series. I'm going to make this into a series. And this is a slime I made a few days ago, or like one day ago I feel like. I made it out of that Nickelodeon slime kit, and I combined the two. And it's this like chocolatey brown, which I kind of like. But I feel like the slime could be a lot awesome. Could be a lot cooler. So yeah, I'm gonna make this over today, and if you stick around, you'll get to see what this slime becomes. Sorry I didn't post yesterday. I did a really long video on Wednesday so that I wouldn't have to post on Thursday, because I'm really busy. I'm on vacation right now, and I'm going to an amusement park on Thursday, which I already went to because you'll be seeing this on Friday. I went to an amusement park then, and then I'm also going to New England Slime Ball on, what day is it? On Saturday. So I got a video coming out. Well, I don't know if I'll have a video out tomorrow. I might. If I don't, I'm sorry. I'll be there. Actually, I don't think I'll have a video out tomorrow, like a slime video, but probably like vlog some of it. And I'll probably put it on this channel, and then some of it on my vlog channel maybe. And yeah, before we get into this makeover, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment notification squad. Go follow me on Instagram, JuliusSlimes19 on Instagram. Go check out my vlog channel, Julius Vlogs, and you can see it under the channels tab on on this channel. Then also make sure to go check out my Etsy, JuliusSlimes19 on Etsy. And I have a video where you can find a link for that Etsy in my description. And the name of the video, it's just the video that came out right after my restock video. Because the link wasn't working when I made my restock video, and now it's working for some reason. So go check out my other video. It's just, the thumbnail for it is just my face, made a few days ago. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So yeah. What I wanted to make the slime is I want to make it like a butter slime. So I have some Daiso clay here. I want to make it like a pretty, I just want to make it like a hot cocoa butter slime. So we're going to add some Daiso clay. This will just give it its butter texture, and it should make it super soft and spreadable. So here's what the slime is once we've added the clay into it. It's really nice and soft. But I think it could be a little bit softer, so I'm going to add some lotion. This is the cocoa butter lotion I found at Walmart. It's super nice and smells just like cocoa butter. So I'm just going to add this to soften up the slime, because the clay hardens it a little bit. And because I want this to be like a hot cocoa inspired slime, because I'm kind of like taking inspiration from Unicorn Hot Chocolate, which is a slime from Slime by Jacqueline that I got. So I want it to be like that. So to make a hot cocoa brown color, you need red food coloring and green food coloring. I feel like the best way to mix this in is just to be very careful and like knead it in like that. So you keep all the food coloring on the inside. So I'm going to go in with some more green, and then some more red. Alright, it's like this strange brown color, so I think I need to add more red to get it to be more of like a chocolate brown. God, it looks like a murder scene up in here. Seriously. Here we are. So I'm just going to add more red food coloring. I think I'm out of this one, so I need to go get some more red dye. And yeah, I'll be right back. So I'll be like right back in just a second, okay? Sorry about that. Just had to get some red paint. Got this at Target. It's really good stuff. I got a bunch of it for slime, and I barely used any of it. So yeah, still have a leftover thing of paint. There we go. Okay, let's just add this paint in. See what color it becomes. Oh great, now it's a purple color. I swear, the color is the hardest part of like a makeover. Okay. So I'm going to add more green. Hopefully get it into like a chocolate color, like a chocolate brown. It's like dark enough, I think. So if I just keep adding this green, it's getting there, I mean. Honestly, I just need to get some brown food coloring so that I can make, so that I just have a brown, like, dye I can use. But I mean, this is a pretty good color. I'm definitely out of food coloring. I think I'm going to keep it at this, because this is like the same color as Unicorn Hot Cocoa. now just to scent it, and I want to scent it like chocolate. The scent smells exactly like chocolate. I got it off of Amazon, and it came with a bunch of other ones. Like, I ordered a set of scents. And I really love the scent. It smells super nice, like chocolate and like brownies and stuff. So I'm just gonna keep kneading that in. It is a little sticky, so I'm going to add some activator. This is the same activator from the Nickelodeon slime kit, but it works for regular slime too. I would assume, yeah, it's working. Well, the slime, I mean, it's pretty much done. Like, you can check the thumbnail and see how you like it before, and then you can see it after. It's a nice, smooth, chocolatey butter slime. So yeah, if you like how today's slime came out, make sure to drop a like on this video. And if you want to see more slime makeovers, this is super fun for me to do because I get to make a new slime out of an old slime. If you want to see more of these, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and yeah, guys, that's it, guys. That's it for today's video. Just make sure to comment notification squad if you've subscribed and hit that notification bell, and if you watch the very end, comment chocolate. And yeah, that's it, guys. So yeah, bye. That's it. I just said bye like I was gonna end the video. But anyway, guys, that's it, and that's all. So bye.